Hello, my name is Rihanna Wheeler and I'm at the Maryland STEM Festival located at the University of Maryland Eastern Shore. Let's see what each table has to offer. So my name is Rihanna and I would like to know what your table is.
So today we have this is our Parkside High School Planetarium event. And so what we're promoting is our new shows that are coming up next week, Spooky Space, which for anybody who wants to come see the planetarium, a lot of people don't even know it's there. So if anybody wants to come, it's only $5 per person to show up, and you just scan the QR code on there, or even on the poster over here, and sign up for any one of the shows and come see us. We also do field trips for other organizations. I actually teach astronomy at Y High, one of the other local high schools, and I run field trips for the planetarium over at Parkside. So if anybody wants to come out, schedule a trip for any of their group or organization, we're more than love to have you at the planetarium. We've got all kinds of cool goodies. You can make bracelets. If you want to make a bracelet, these are glow-in-the-dark beads and UV beads. So that'll be great if you guys can come out and see us. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Rihanna Wheeler and I would like to know what your table has to offer.
Hi, I'm with the University of Maryland Extension, Worcester County, and we are doing an activity called Banana Piano, and essentially it's with electricity. So you would hold the ground circuit, and then the electricity is going to travel as a current through the water in your body, and if you set those down, you will touch the fruit and vegetables. It will play the piano because there's water in your body, but also water in the fruits and vegetables. So the electrical current travels from the ground circuit through your body into the vegetables, and then through these circuits to activate the piano.
The banana.
Oh yes, a child.
We have a future pianist. I like the beat.
Hello, my name is Rihanna and I would like to know what your table is about.
Okay, hi, so we're the American Fisheries Society. My name is Sarah Rollinson. I'm an undergrad here at UMES. I major in environmental science. And so AFS, we primarily focus on educating the community and those around us on sustainable fisheries practices and management. And so we're really involved with community service and enrichment activities. So an event we have coming up is we're going to be volunteering at a school, I think a middle school, and we're going to be doing like a class activity, and we're going to talk about I think different types of fishes and stuff.
Thank you. This seems good.